Hey guys, welcome to Origins e-Shala. In this session, we are going to make the assembly file of the Pokeball and steps to create an animation video. First things first, go to drop-down button beside new icon and choose Make Assembly from Part/Assembly. Make sure that bottom configuration is selected. Turn on the visibility of origin of individual components and click on the origin to place the part with both of their origins coincident. Usually, it should show the part file while you move the cursor, but well, I am just using a low-end PC right now, so it directly showed after being fixed. Now click on Insert Component, reselect the part file and this time set configuration to inner glass. Next, we will apply mates between inner glass and bottom half of Pokeball like me. While we are at it, I would really appreciate if you could click that like icon below the video and sub to channel to get more such tutorials in the future. You know, just for my motivation and all. As for the rest of the empty glass sockets, we will be using pattern-driven pattern feature from the drop-down of linear component pattern. We could have used circular pattern, but that would make it dependent on the arc or center we will be selecting, but we want to make it dependent on the socket feature itself for possible future changes, so there you have it. The reason for not using simple circular pattern. To cover it, obviously we will be covering it with the top half. Click on the Insert Components icon, select the part file, choose the top half configuration and just drop it somewhere. Before we connect it at the hinge of bottom half, we will be adding its set of inner glasses. So, we will be inserting the inner glass and apply mate with the top half and then use pattern-driven pattern feature to fill the sockets. To finish it off, we will finally be applying mate between the top half and bottom half. First, we will be using the concentric mate to fix the axis of revolution around the hinge E created. To position this correctly, we will be using width mate on the cut flat surfaces we made in the hinges. And that takes care of it. Now as you can see, this motion of the top half being penetrated in the bottom half is quite impractical. I mean, it's impossible in real life anyways, at least for today's technology. So, we need to restrict it somewhat to ensure that it doesn't go inside the bottom half. To accomplish this, we will be using an angular limit mate. Oh, but before we do that, you don't want to lose all your hard work applying all these mates and arranging these parts. So, remember to keep saving the file. Now, back to issue at hand. Select the flat surfaces on top and bottom halves together and click on Mate. Now go to Advanced tab and apply Limit Angular Mate like me. Now we are done. For the final note, on a close inspection around the button, you will notice it is interfering with the bottom half. Don't worry, this isn't an error. This is intentional interference kept for fitting the real manufactured Pokeball. You see, this design is for a plastic Pokeball toy. So, when you must close it, it should snugly fit and shouldn't open unless you want it to. So, in real life it will be using the mechanism of push fit for operation. If you are confused, you can Google the term press fit and push fit joints. Coming back to our design, we still need to create an animation video. So, just follow me to create an exploded view animation video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, keep learning and be the best.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too.